Hello, my dear listeners. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is a safe place to learn English, a safe place to listen, a safe place to feel. Here you listen to English. Here you practice English. Here you slowly learn to speak English. Today, I will tell you a very emotional love story, a simple story, a deep story. We will learn English through this story because learning English through stories is gentle, it is easy, and it touches the heart. Please listen slowly. Do not hurry. Feel every word. Feel the silence. Feel the pain. Feel the love. Now, let us begin. It was a rainy afternoon. The sky was dark and heavy. The air was cold and quiet. Soft rain was falling everywhere. People were walking fast. Everyone wanted to go home. No one wanted to stay outside in the rain. At a small bus stop, a girl was standing alone. Her name was Mira. She had no umbrella. Rain touched her hair. Rain touched her clothes. She was wet and cold. But her face was calm, and very sad. She was not crying. She was not smiling. She was just standing there, lost in her own thoughts. At that moment, a boy came slowly on a bicycle. His name was Ayan. When he saw the girl, he stopped. He did not know why he stopped. His heart just told him to stop. He looked at her for a moment. Then he went near her. In a soft voice, he said, "Please take my umbrella." Mira looked at him. She was surprised. She did not expect kindness from a stranger. She asked softly, "What about you?" Ayan smiled gently, a warm, honest smile. "I will be okay," he said. Mira slowly took the umbrella. She smiled. It was a very small smile, but it was real. That small smile touched Ayan's heart deeply. That day, rain fell on his body, but something more beautiful entered his heart: love. After that day, they met again, and again, every evening at the same bus stop. They talked slowly, no hurry, no pressure. They talked about life. They talked about dreams. They talked about pain. Mira wanted to be a teacher. She loved children. She loved their smiles. Ayan wanted to be a writer. He loved words. He loved stories. Sometimes they laughed together. Sometimes they stayed silent together. And slowly, very slowly, love grew between them, like a small flower in the rain. One evening, Mira asked in a soft voice, "Ayan, do you believe in forever?" Ayan looked into her eyes. He did not think for long. He smiled and said, "I believe in you." Mira's eyes became wet. She smiled, but her smile was full of hidden pain. They were happy, but life is not always kind. One day, Mira did not come. Ayan waited. 1 day passed, 2 days passed, many days passed. Every evening, Ayan stood at the bus stop. He looked at every face. He hoped. He waited. But Mira never came. One evening, an old man came near him. The old man spoke softly. "She is in the hospital." Ayan's heart stopped. He ran without thinking. He did not feel the road. He did not feel his breath. Only fear lived inside him. Mira was lying on a hospital bed. Her face was pale. Her body was weak. When she saw Ayan, she smiled. Ayan, she whispered. Ayan held her hand tightly. Tears filled his eyes. Why didn't you tell me? He cried. Mira closed her eyes for a moment. I didn't want you to be sad, she said. Then she whispered again. I am very sick. I don't have much time. Ayan cried like a child. No, he said, you must be fine. You must be fine. Mira slowly shook her head. She spoke with great effort. I love you, Ayan. I loved you from the first rainy day. Ayan broke completely. I love you too, he said. I will always love you. Mira smiled one last time. Promise me something, she said. Anything, Ayan replied. Live, she whispered. Write your stories. Smile sometimes. Ayan nodded, but his heart was breaking into pieces. That night, Mira closed her eyes. Forever. Days passed. Months passed. The bus stop stayed the same, but Mira never came back. Ayan started writing. He wrote about rain. He wrote about love. He wrote about loss. Every word carried Mira's memory. Years later, his book was published. On the first page, he wrote, "This book is for the girl who taught me how to love and how to lose." Even today, on rainy days, Ayan stands at that bus stop, with an umbrella in his hand, with tears in his eyes, with love in his heart. Some love stories do not end happily, but they never end inside the heart. Thank you for listening. If this story touched your heart, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you again. Until then, keep loving, keep listening.